What are the food sources of zinc mineral? Zinc has anti-inflammatory characteristics that could benefit those who suffer from eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, acne, or wound healing. Harrison stated that zinc helps with tissue and wound repair in addition to its many other functions. Zinc supplements may be helpful for those with skin ulcers and low zinc levels. Have you heard that getting a sufficient amount of zinc in your diet has been linked to a stronger immune system and quicker healing of wounds? Getting adequate zinc has additional advantages. According to research, zinc may be beneficial in the following circumstances. Reduce the duration of a cold. Prevent heart disease. Takes care of hypothyroidism. Aid in the healing of wounds. The best mineral for enhancing immunity is zinc. For your fix, turn to these meals. 1. You can achieve your zinc goals with milk and dairy products. Milk and yogurt are delightful and nourishing sources of zinc in addition to being rich sources of calcium. The USDA estimates that 1 cup of non-fat milk or low-fat milk provides 1.1 milligrams and 1.05 milligrams of the mineral, respectively. In the meanwhile, 1 cup of plain low-fat or non-fat yogurt is a fantastic source, providing 2.38 milligrams and 2.2 milligrams, respectively. When making smoothies, cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, use low-fat or fat-free milk. You can also try topping yogurt with granola and fresh fruit. Again, if you cannot consume dairy, do not worry. This list demonstrates that there are several ways to obtain zinc without using animal products. 2. Legumes are a zinc-friendly source for vegetarians. Although zinc is frequently present in animal products, Crystal Linares, RDN, who founded Nutrition Con Sabor in Raleigh, North Carolina, emphasizes that vegans and vegetarians are not without options. She adds that zinc can also be found in legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and beans. For more zinc and other health advantages, include foods like hummus, edamame, and black beans in your meals. Excellent sources of these foods are 1 cup of lentils, which provide 2.52 milligrams per cup, as well as the equivalent serving sizes of cooked edamame, 2.13 milligrams, black beans, 1.93 milligrams, and canned chickpeas, 1.66 milligrams. 3. Fiber and essential vitamins and minerals like zinc are provided by whole grains. There are many health advantages to eating whole grains. 1 cup of cooked brown rice is a good source of zinc, containing 1.38 milligrams, while the same quantity of raw oats is an outstanding source, with 2.95 milligrams. Both foods are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and, you guessed it, zinc. Additionally, if you enjoy making sandwiches with whole wheat bread, be aware that 2 slices contain 1.12 milligrams of the mineral. Cooked quinoa, which contains 1.85 milligrams of zinc per cup, is another whole grain that is a rich source of zinc. Try this quinoa chili recipe from Damn Delicious if you've never used that ingredient before and need some cooking ideas. 4. Meeting your zinc needs is simple with crab and lobster. Both lobster and crab are superior sources of zinc. The USDA estimates that a small steamed or boiled lobster contains 4.7 milligrams and that 3 ounces Oz, of cooked Alaskan king crab provides 6.5 milligrams. According to Harvard Health publications, seafood is a fantastic supplement to any heart-healthy diet, while shellfish doesn't offer as many advantages for the heart as salmon and sardines do. 5. A quarter of your daily zinc requirements can be met by fortified breakfast cereals. Many breakfast cereals supplement with zinc as well as other vitamins and minerals. According to the NIH, 1 cup generally gives 2.8 milligrams, which is a very good source. To find out just how much of your preferred brand you'll be getting, look at the nutrition label. Look at added sugar as well as the nutrition label when examining the food. The majority of cereals, with an average of 2 teaspoons of sugar per serving, are too sweet to be regarded as healthy, according to a survey of 1,556 cereals by the Environmental Working Group. 6. Meat and poultry serve up protein and zinc. In addition to being high in protein, chicken, pork, and beef also offer a respectable amount of zinc. According to the USDA, lean meats like boneless chicken breasts, pork tenderloin, and 90% lean beef are the most nutrient-dense cuts. The USDA estimates that just 1 cup of chopped skinless, roasted chicken breast contains 2.13 milligrams of zinc. As a result, chicken is a beneficial source of the mineral. While it's unclear which came first, eggs also contain zinc, which is best consumed today to increase your levels. According to the USDA, large eggs contain roughly 0.6 milligrams of zinc. 7. For a dessert that is rich in zinc, try decadent dark chocolate. Such a lovely surprise. The fact that dark chocolate contains zinc is yet another intriguing aspect of this treat. And it's best if it's darker. According to the USDA, cultivars of cacao that are 60 to 69% cacao typically yield some per ounce, almost 0.75 milligrams, while those that are 70 to 85% cacao have a little bit more, 0.9 milligrams. But that's not all. Due to its flavanol concentration, dark chocolate may have certain vascular benefits, including decreasing blood pressure and enhancing blood flow, according to the Cleveland Clinic. Remember that there are other sources of zinc besides dark chocolate, even though it may be your favorite. Keep your intake of sugar and calories to no more than 1 ounce each day. 8. Oysters contain important vitamins and minerals, including zinc. The U.S. Department of Agriculture claims that this bivalve is a zinc powerhouse, with each raw oyster containing 5.5 milligrams of zinc. USDA. Therefore, oysters are a fantastic supply of the element. According to the USDA, this mollusk is also low in calories, containing only 7 calories per oyster, and is rich with numerous essential vitamins and minerals, such as selenium and vitamin B12. Oysters can be eaten raw, cooked, or on the half shell. You're going to like them no matter how you serve them, and their zinc content may even help you have a stronger immune system. 9. Kale and other low-calorie sources of zinc include mushrooms. Did you know that zinc, along with other essential vitamins and minerals, may be found in wholesome veggies like mushrooms, spinach, broccoli, kale, and garlic? The USDA estimates that 0.36 milligrams of zinc can be found in a cup of sliced raw mushrooms. In 1 cooked cup of kale, about the same amount, 0.3 milligrams, is provided. You can increase your intake of zinc by include these foods in your diet while consuming less additional calories each day. According to the USDA, mushrooms offer just 20 calories in 3 ounces, and a very high concentration of the B vitamin riboflavin. 10. Multipurpose nuts and seeds increase your zinc intake easily. Add an ounce of pumpkin seeds or pine nuts to your salad the next time you make it for more crunch. According to the USDA, they will offer 2.17 milligrams, an excellent source, and 1.8 milligrams, a decent source, respectively. Or buy some nuts at your local supermarket. Consider adding nuts like peanuts, cashews, or pecans, which are technically legumes, to low-fat or fat-free yogurt or oatmeal. According to the NIH, 1 ounce of dry-roasted cashews has 1.6 milligrams of zinc, making them a good source of zinc.